Hey guys, I'm Charlie. I'm one of the content strategists here at Dilate Digital, and today I'm going to be talking about the importance of choosing the right Facebook ad objective. So choosing the right objective when it comes to setting up your Facebook ad campaign is extremely important. It can be the difference between a successful campaign and one that's just chewing through your budget with nothing to prove for it. So at a broader level, there are three main categories that your objective will sit under. And these are awareness, consideration, and conversion. So the good news is that each objective that sits under these three main broad categories are relatively straightforward. So you shouldn't have too much trouble in picking the exact one that fits your specific needs. But making sure that your objective links up with your broader marketing strategy is really key here. Choosing the right Facebook ad objective early on helps to inform the rest of your entire campaign. So for example, if your ad creative or targeting doesn't link up with this objective, then it's just going to confuse your target audience and the algorithm that's attempting to show your ad to this ideal target audience. Your Facebook ad objective will also determine what metrics you need to pay close attention to when it comes to monitoring and evaluating your campaign. So when you're setting up your next Facebook ad campaign, have a think about which objective is really going to be the key to getting the results you want from this specific ad. If you want to learn a little bit more about running your first Facebook ad campaign, check out the blog we wrote on this topic. The link's in the description.